Hello, welcome to SK Tech Zone. This recording will see VMware Aria Automation 8.16 installation using VMware Suite Lifecycle EC Installer. So I already downloaded EC Installer OVA. Click on Installer, the installer launch, click Install, click Next, accept the license agreement. Optionally, you can join VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. So I uncheck. Provide a vCenter server, vCenter server credential, and installation type vSphere. Click Next. Accept the certificate warning. Select the data center for the installation of this appliance, BitDC. Select compute resource. I select bit cluster is a compute resource for this installation. Select the storage, enable thin disk mode. Select network. vSAN VDS is the network for this installation. IP static, provide a subnet mask, default gateway DNS, domain name, and NTP server. Click Next. Provide password, root password for these three components, VRLCM and VRA and VMware Identity Manager. Confirm password. Click Next. Provide a virtual machine name for VRLCM. Bitlab VRLCM01. IP address. The important thing is we need to pre-stage the DNSA record for all these components. Host name bitlab vrl01.bitlab.com. Data center name default. Click Next. Now Identity Manager configuration. I select new Identity Manager installation. So provide Identity Manager detail. Click Next. Now the installation detail for a VRA. So VRA two types, standard and clustered, and this is lab. I am selected a standard installation. It's a single instance. Virtual machine name bitlab VRA01. Review all these component into detail. Click Submit. Now the EC installer initiate the installation of VMware Aria Suite Lifecycle Manager. After installing VRLCM, it will move the installer binary to the VRLCM, then initiate the installation of VMware Identity Manager and VMware Aria Automation. So now the VRLCM installed. The moving binary is complete. We can see the green check mark. Initiating the install of VIDM is also green check mark. Now the VRLS automation installation is started. So now the installation shows error for installing VMware Aria automation. Close this EC installer wizard so we can log into the VRLCM admin console and see the detail of the error, and we can retry from there. So we can see here failed task 1, the failed task error message, VRLCM error we can see here. On the stage 2 it is failed. The stage 2 is the first boot completion error. Click detail of the error and we'll retry. Review the network setting of the VRA appliance. So IP address, DNS, gateway all looks good. Click Submit. Oh, after submitting retry, so the error is gone. Now the installation of VRA reached stage 5. Yes, the installation of VRA complete successfully. The task has been completed. Now we can start accessing the VRA admin console. So bitlab VRA01. So now the console for authentication redirect to the VIDM. So if you use a VIDM admin account, log in to the VRA admin console. Now we see the option launch quick start. So the launch quick start will help you to do the faster integration with the on-prem vCenter server. Start quick start. Add a new vCenter server. Provide a vCenter server name. bitlab vc01.bitlab.com. vCenter server username, administrator at vsphere.local, and password. Click validate. Accept the certificate warning. So validation done. Create and go to next step. So NSX, I select none option because I don't have NSX configure in this environment. The content data center is auto populated, and VM template select. So there is one template discovered from vCenter server. Now create and deploy your first template, select option checkbox. So this one we need to set a network detail. So network is a DHCP and IP ranges as set. Click next step. So create a new project. So I go with the default quick start project 1, description VRA project 1, and set the administrator for this project. So this user is administrator will have full access on this project. The user account will be coming from the VMware Identity Manager. So usually in the production environment, we will set up the proper RBAC, separating the role for administrator and members. So this is the lab. I am using the same user for both. In production, you'll have to separate it. So member project, member will have the rights to create, deploy on this project. Click next step. Policies, I am going with the default policy for the approval, lease and machine name. Click next. So see the summary and run quick start. The quick start will process all this, verify cloud account, create a cloud zone, create a project, create IP range, create network profile and create storage profile, create a machine template and create policies and create content source. Then release template to the catalog. See, this all task has been automated by using the quick start launch. Now quick start complete. So if going to the VRA console, we can see the quick integration of VRA with vSphere is complete. So this will saves time for integration when we are using quick start. So thank you for watching. So the installation of wireless automation 8.16 complete.